Oh yeah, look what just arrived today. Hot off the truck. It's Hot Wheels 2020 Basic D-Case. D-Case is in the house. Here we go, but before we open this box, I want to remind you, Thursday, December 12th, there's going to be over 60 winners. Have you subscribed? Have you commented? I hope you have. Here we go. Here is the D-Case. This is always one of our favorite days. This is when we get the new Basic. Everybody likes a little Basic. Here's a top-down view of the Basic. Let's hope we get some good stuff in this case here. I'm not quite sure what we're going to have. We're going to do the normal 3x3. I'm going to zoom in on the stuff that is newer. Okay, right here, we've had that Chevy Nova before, 68 Chevy Nova. Then there's an 8 crate, and then there's a Tankinator. That might be a brand new colorway, but we have had that one before. The next 3 in the case are the Roger Dodger, which we had in another case. We've also had the Twin Mill in a different case. This one right here, I don't remember having this one before. This is brand new. 2018 Ford Mustang GT with the Borla racing tampos. It's a very nice Mustang. The next 3 cars in the case are the Forward Force, the Aston Martin Vulcan, which this is a new colorway. We have the green one before. That's a brand new color. The Supervan we've had before. The next 3, we've had all 3 of these, is the Twin Mill, the Head Starter, and the Batplane. The next 3 in the case, here we go. We got the Robo Vulcan. But then we got something new here. This is the black Bugatti. They switched up the color on it. Look at that, guys. That is super cool. That is going to be super popular. The black Bugatti Chiron. Love it. The next 3 in the case we've got the James Bond Ford Mustang convertible, which was in the previous case. We've got the Diora 3. We got one that I like right here. This is the Cloak and Dagger. It's a very cool car. The next 3 in the case. Oh, nice. They've switched up the tampos on the Alpine. We've had the Pacifica before, and we've had the Volvo 850 Estate before. Let's take a close look at this Alpine. It's got the number 36 on the side there. I'm not sure if that's associated with a particular company or not. That Alpine is a cool model. Very cool. Next 3 in the case are the Cruise Bruiser, which we've had. We've also had the Dodge Dart. We've also had the Jeepster Commando. The next 3 in the case, another Jeepster, another Chevy Impala, which we had last case. I don't remember if we've had this color of the Poison Arrow before. I think that's a new color. The next, here we go. This is cool. 92 Ford Mustang. I think all 3 of these are new, actually. take a close look at this 92 Ford Mustang. It's got super crazy colors on it. But this is very similar to the mail-in Ford Mustang that they did from Target. Very cool. Here's the Porsche 918 Spyder. Look at that. I love that car. Gotta love the Porsches. Then we got the custom 01 Acura GSR. I don't know if you guys can see this, but sometimes they just kind of push the card backs in there and they get a little bent along the way. Just one of the things that happens. But there's the custom 01 Acura with the new got speed blur on the side of the hood. Very cool. There we go. We've had the Skull Shaker and we've had the Impala. I can't remember if we've had a green BMW K1300R. I know we've had this car, but I don't know if we have had green. I thought we had red. Oh yeah. Ha ha. This is cool. We got an ID car. We got the 70 Ford Escort RS 1600 ID car. That's just sick. It's got the metallic paint on it. This is basically a super treasure hunt if you can find one of these. We've only had a handful of the ID cars come in cases. I love it. You know what? Here's what we're going to do. We're going to give this one away. So if you guys have been needing an ID car, we're going to give this away. We're going to add it to our drawing on next Thursday. So this one's going to go to a subscriber, guys. So subscriber's going to win an ID car. That is smoking. We've had the Radical Racer. We got a brand new 2018 Civic Type R. It's black, red ground effects. Got a Hot Wheels on the license. Civic collectors are going to have that one. All right, that does it for the first row. Take that out. There's a top down of the second layer. Again, we're going to go 3 by 3. See what we got. Okay, we've had the Chevy Nova. We've had the Super Van. Looks like there's a second black Bugatti in this case. Gotta love that car. That one doesn't get old. The next 3 in the case, we've got the Skull Shaker, then the 8 crate again, and then the third car is the Surf and Turf, which we've had before, but not in this color. So this is a brand new color of Surf and Turf, which there's some people out there that collect this car. Very cool. The next 3 are actually all ones that we've had before. It's the Head Starter, the Roger Dodger, and the 76 Greenwood Corvette with the gold paint. This is a new one. We've had these 2 before. There's a Dodge Dart that we've had and a Forward Force that was in the top layer. Check out this manga tuner. That's pretty cool. Bright red, exaggerated, cartoonish. Manga tuner. That's very cool. Then we've got the Ford Escort, which we had in the previous case. We've got a new color of the Mazda Refuel. It's kind of silver with the Outlaw tampo on it. And then we've got the Rockin' Santa sled, which we had before. There's a good look at the tampos on the new Outlaw Mazda. Definitely a lot of you guys out there collect that one. The next three are the Chrysler Pacifica. Got another one of the Alpine 110s, the racing tempos. And we've got a Moto Wing. Again, I think this is a new colorway for D case. Very cool. The next three, we've had the Volvo 850 Estate. In the top layer, we had the Ford Mustang GT. These are a couple of my favorite kind of cars. This one's called the Speed Driver. But I like how they have a wrench on it. Can you guys see the wrench? Actually put a tool on the car. Kind of heavy. It's a heavier model. That's a Speed Driver. We've got the Advan Lancer Evolution in this case. We've got the 96 Porsche Carrera from the previous case. And then we also have the Rip Rod. The next three, there's another Cruise Bruiser, there's the Speed Driver, and then there's the black Porsche Carrera. Oh, this one's cool. Okay, we've had the Total Disposal before, and we've had the Robocar before. But here's a brand new colorway of the 49 Volkswagen Beetle pickup. It's in the Moon Eyes Tempo. Gotta love the Moon Eyes. Some people collect every single Moon Eyes they ever see. I like it. The last six in the case. The case is now empty. Let's see what we got here. Take this. We've got a Manga Tuner, a Nerve Hammer, and a Beetle. Then we've got another one of the Bond Mustangs, another Lancer Evolution. But then right here, this is new. We've got the 2019 Ford Ranger Raptor with the Ford Performance. That's pretty cool, guys. Got the hood decals, built tough on the side, Ford Performance. There you go. I'm going to get a couple of the pictures of the highlights of this case. Thank you again for joining us. Don't forget, I'm going to give that ID car away next Thursday. If you guys have been needing one of the ID inserts, come check it out. There you go. This is Wheel Collectors Hot Off the Truck, basic D case for 2020. Be sure you subscribe and comment. The giveaway is on December 12th. Happy holidays, everybody. Hope you're having a good month. Wheel Collectors is out.